Lotlot de Leon inihayag ang nasabi nga pong award na natanggap ng kanyang ina na si Nora Honor noong May 4 sa palasyo kung saan ito ay iginawad ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Yesterday, our beloved national artist, our mother, Miss Nora Honor, was once again given a prestigious honor, posthumously awarded the Presidential Medal of Merit by President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. with the gracious presence and support of First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos. Our hearts are full. This recognition is more than an award. It is powerful affirmation of the lasting legacy our mom has left behind. Her artistry, her voice, and her deep connection with the Filipino people have shaped our nation's cultural identity. She was not just an actress or a singer. She was and will always be a symbol of excellence, resilience, and national pride. We extend our deepest gratitude to President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. and First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos for this meaningful tribute. Their continued support for the arts and recognition of our mother's extraordinary contributions ensure that her legacy will live on and inspire generations to come. Mommy, our superstar, our national artist, ang ina ng sining ng industriya ng Pilipino. Thank you for everything. This honor is yet another shining jewel in the crown of your lifelong dedication to Philippine arts and culture. Again, to our President Bongbong Marcos Jr. and to our First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumulong na nagmamahal sa aming mami, lalo na sa lahat ng fans niya. Mabubuhay po kayo at mabuhay ang alaala ni Nora Honor at mabuhay ang sining at kulturang Pilipino. Nagmamahal, Lot. May nakakaantig din na mensahe si Lotlot de Leon sa mga avid fan ng kanyang ina. Aniya, to all the Noranians, mula noon hanggang ngayon hindi nyo iniwan si Mami. Taos puso at wagas na pasasalamat po sa inyo. Thank you po sa mga nagmamahal at sumusuporta o sa suporta nyo kay Mami that you also have passed down to us, her children. Mula sa aming magkakapatid, Ian, Matet, Kiko, Ken, at sa akin at sa aming mga anak, mahal po namin kayo. God bless all of you and thank you. Nagmamahal, Lot. Samantala, sa comment section ay isa namang tanong at mensahe ang sinagot ni Lotlot de Leon. Mula sa isang fan, anya sa request niya, sana Lotlot, paggawaan ninyo ng museum, mami nyo, lahat ng awards andon kahit may entrance for the maintenance. Sumagot naman si Lotlot, yes po ma'am, we will announce all our projects for mami po in advance. Salamat po sa suporta nyo. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Thank you for watching. Images or all credit to the rightful owners.